Sendgrid is an email service that offers APIs for sending marketing, transactional, and promotional emails. Here's a basic overview of how to use Sendgrid. Sign up and authenticate your domain. Register on the Sendgrid website and authenticate your domain to ensure your emails aren't marked as spam. Access the Sendgrid dashboard. Log into your Sendgrid account and access the dashboard. Here you will find various options including email API, marketing campaigns, and templates. Get API key. Go to settings and then API keys to generate an API key. This key allows you to authenticate your application with Sendgrid servers. Integrate Sendgrid API. Use the API key in your application by integrating Sendgrid's API or use Sendgrid's SMTP to send emails directly. Create and send emails. You can use Sendgrid's API documentation to send transactional emails, marketing campaigns, or bulk emails by making API calls or integrating Sendgrid with your preferred programming language or framework. Monitoring and analytics. Sendgrid provides analytics to track the delivery, open rates, and click-through rates of your emails. Use this information to optimize your email campaigns.